Hi guys, today we're going to be making a special type of tree. So the first thing you'll need is some Q-tips, a rubber band, some paint, and a piece of paper. To start off, you're going to be needing just your Q-tips and your rubber band. You're going to take one Q-tip out because we're going to use it for later. So now just pile them up. Take your rubber band and twist it around over and over. Like this. So now you're going to take your plate and your Q-tip pile and your piece of paper. So what you're going to do now is you're going to take your Q-tip, dip it into one of the green, first the light one, and you're basically just going to like dap it on the piece of paper and form a circle. Next, you're going to grab your dark green and do the same thing. It should look like a big bush. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna take the Q-tip you saved and put it inside the dark brown first. And you're gonna form a C, and then another C, and then just go down. Next, you're gonna grab this back and you're gonna use the other side for using the brown. Just like that. So next you're gonna grab your light brown and you're gonna dap it to add some color, more color. And if you think now your tree's too small, that's also okay. You can just keep adding on. Just like this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add a bit more detail. What we're going to do is we're going to grab our one piece and we're going to take the smaller part. We're going to put inside the light green just a bit, and we're going to put it all around the paper. Not all around, just to make it look like falling leaves. make the floor. You're gonna grab your green, use the light one, and just put it across the paper like this. Now you can just do whatever you want. You can add more leaves, you can add more grass, you can add a bigger trunk, you can add animals. It's your choice. But for now, we're done. Bye guys. See you in the next video.